G'day trendsetters, got a slight emergency on my hands at the moment. It's about as cold as it gets in my warm temperate climate here in Toowoomba, and I'm just a little bit worried about my pineapples that I saved, or pineapple tops that I propagated in summer. And so the temperatures at the moment are getting down to 1 or 2 at night, which does mean we get localised frost in low-lying areas. I'm fairly protected here. I've got lots of trees and sheds and radiant heat, but it's still cold, and the daytime temperature is only getting up to 11 or 12 degrees. I don't think it will kill them, but it will slow them down a heck of a lot, which I'd rather not happen. So I'll just pop in here for a minute. I did want to mention also that pineapple, being a subtropical plant, will definitely not appreciate these colder nights. So just making sure they're happy. Bubble wrap. I was listening to an All the Dirt podcast a couple of weeks ago, and it was all about indoor plants, and they got onto the subject of bubble wrapping their plants, indoor plants, during winter. And then the host went on to say that she even does some of her more sensitive plants, outdoor plants, in winter with bubble wrap. So got me to thinking, I will bubble wrap. I will bubble wrap my pineapples. I've also got this big box here, and it will go over the top as well. And I've also got a blanket which I'll put over the top of the box. It might seem excessive, but what the hell, you only live once. And I'm going to go around twice. I think I've got enough here to go around twice. As per usual, I left the sticky tape all the way over there. But anyhow, I'll go get that. That's it, that's all I'm going to do. Scissors are blunt, of course. And when you've got bubble wrap, you should pop the bubbles. It's all part of the deal. Right, sticky tape. Be right back. All right, easy peasy. Tuck it around the bottom a little bit. Look at that. What do you think? It's supposed to keep them warm. Alright, I'll do these two and I'll come right back. That was 5 metre. That was a 5 metre roll. It was just enough to do the 3 of those. I thought I would have had a bit left over, but anyhow, it is what it is. Put this down on a angle. It's caught on the bloody rope. There you go. Home sweet home. What do you reckon? Not too excessive? I'll take the box off in the morning, of course. But if you're looking for a good gardening podcast, especially with a bit of an Australian flavour to it, check out All the Dirt podcast. I'll leave a link in the description below. Meanwhile, I'll go find a blanket and I'll throw it over this, and I'll go inside and have a nice hot cup of tea, I reckon. Cheers. Thanks for watching.